Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay My Favorite Season. There are 4 seasons in a year. These are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. All are beautiful and bring countless benefits for all human beings. I like all the seasons, but I like the spring season the most. The spring is the most pleasant season in our country. It is neither very cold nor very hot. It is the most mild and lively season. The winds are cool and refreshing. Everything looks sweet and lovely. Trees put forth new leaves. New green plants grow with buds, flowers, and fruits. Flowers are in full bloom, and nightingale sings sweet songs. All other birds are full of joy and fly from tree to tree. All animals find plenty of food all around them. Everyone is happy and in a holiday mood. Many fairs are held in this season. Basant is also celebrated in spring, so I like this season very much.